You are about to experience a unique ride through a 5-litre V8 engine. Oil accelerates through the pump like a high-speed mincer. Conventional oils shear down here, making them almost useless after as little as 2,000 miles. Mobil 1 flows faster than conventional oils, using less energy to force oil through. The big end bearings take the full brunt of engine power. An oil film cushions the conrod pushing the rotating crankshaft. Heat dispersion is crucial. Mobil 1 maintains a fluid film and performs just as effectively from a sub-Arctic -50 to a paint blistering 160 degrees centigrade working temperature. The temperatures under the piston crown can reach 300 degrees centigrade. That's almost the melting point of lead. Mobil 1 is designed to withstand extreme heat, whereas conventional oils bake to form a destructive layer of lacquer that allow carbon solids to build up. Mobil 1's molecular structure is engineered to cope with extreme heat and pressure. Making the bond between hydrocarbons far stronger ensures Mobil 1 resists solidifying, so engine performance is maintained long after inferior oils break down. Oil travels through a maze of oilways. Additives ensure all internal surfaces retain an oil film when stationary. Mobil 1's viscosity allows it to flow throughout the engine within seconds of starting. On this engine at 6,000 RPM, there are almost 1 million valve openings every 5 minutes. No problem for Mobil 1. Oil filters through a paper matrix, trapping debris 6 times finer than human hair. The purity of Mobil 1 means almost no debris will be generated during the service period, which would clog the filter. This means a cleaner, more efficient engine and longer filter life.